Hi, let us now study diode. What is a diode? Diode is composed of a p-type and n-type material separated by the p-n junction. The terminals of a diode are named cathode and anode. The anode is the positive terminal of the diode and cathode is the negative terminal of a diode. Okay? Diode conducts only during forward bias condition. What do you mean by forward bias condition? The positive terminal is supplied with positive and the negative terminal is supplied with negative. That is forward bias. During reverse bias, when the anode or the positive terminal of the diode is supplied with negative and the negative terminal, the cathode, is supplied with positive, diode do not conduct electricity. Okay? One of the main tasks of the diode in electronics is as a rectifier. When we say rectifier, it converts alternating current to direct current. So, that is the major use of rectifier diode or diode. It converts alternating current to direct current. From transformer, usually diode is connected to its output. Okay? Now, how diode converts alternating current to direct current? What is alternating current? As you see here, we have here the alternating current. It is composed of a sine wave. It has a positive half cycle and negative half cycle. Positive half cycle and negative half cycle. One cycle is composed of a positive and a negative half cycle. That is the characteristic of an alternating current. While the direct current is simply a straight line. That is the task of a rectifier diode. To convert alternating current to a direct current. How rectifier diodes convert alternating current to direct current? Are you interested? Please share and subscribe. Thank you.